Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Vault SSH auth for dynamic access step by step clearly. To authorize Vault SSH auth for dynamic access, start by logging into your Vault server. Ensure that you have administrative privileges to make the necessary changes. Next, navigate to the Vault UI or use the Vault CLI. Enable the SSH secret engine if it's not already enabled. You can do this by executing the command Vault secrets enable SSH. This will initiate the SSH secret engine. Next, configure the SSH roles according to your requirements. Use the command vault write ssh/config/ca. Specify the parameters such as the key underscore type and the allowed underscore users. After the configuration is in place, create a role for your dynamic access. This can be done with the command vault write ssh/roles/myrole. Set the parameters that dictate how the role will operate. For example, specify the user and key type required for authentication. Now, you need to authenticate into Vault to retrieve the SSH credentials. This can be accomplished using a supported authentication method like token or user pass. Once authenticated, use the command vault ssh role equals myrole user at hostname. This command requests a one-time SSH certificate for the user. After running the command, Vault will return the SSH certificate and private key. Utilize these credentials to establish a secure SSH connection. Confirm that access is granted as expected. If any issues arise, check the Vault logs for troubleshooting. Revisit the configuration settings to ensure accuracy. Finally, regularly review and audit your SSH roles and permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.